there, I'm Kathy with kathysglutenfree.com. Let's make some delicious, nutritious food for everyone to enjoy. Today we'll make a nice creamy coleslaw. Starting with a fresh lemon, we'll squeeze some juice for our dressing. And we'll add maple syrup and mayonnaise. There's a good recipe for homemade mayonnaise at kathysglutenfree.com. Let's set that aside, chop up some sweet onion. Then we'll take the chopping blade out of the food processor and put in the shredding disc to shred our carrot. We'll turn that blade over to the slicing side. Cut a piece of red cabbage to make the salad pretty. Slice it. Then we'll need green cabbage. We'll use more green cabbage than red. Slice it up. When it's done, let's pour that all into a big bowl. Add the salad dressing that we've just mixed up. Stir it all together. This will keep in the refrigerator for a little while, or you can serve it right away. Get the recipe at kathysglutenfree.com.